Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great and amazing day. Welcome to Bright Beginnings. Today we'll be discussing on the topic igneous rocks. Please watch this complete video. There will be a quiz at the end. Let's get started. Okay, so we have three types of rocks here. There are three main types of rocks, three categories. As we discussed in our previous video on sedimentary rock, today we'll be discussing on igneous rock. In the previous video, we discussed on sedimentary rock. Now only one type of rock is left, metamorphic. So soon that will be done too, but today we are going to focus on igneous rock. Okay, so this is a picture, an example of igneous rock. So this is a rock here, pumice and diorite, obsidian, and not sure what this one is. This is diorite, obsidian, and pumice. Okay, these are the examples of igneous rocks. Okay, so igneous rocks are formed from molten rock that has cooled and solidified. This means that the magma inside the magma, it cools down, making it become a solid. Like maybe in food also, there are some types of food, if you leave them outside they will become hard, which is not good for your health. Hard, they become very rocky and very hard. Yeah, like this with rocks, it's a liquid, but then it's cooled down for a very long time. It cools and cools, becoming a hard rock. The inside of the earth is very hot enough to melt rocks. So inside the earth it's very hot, obviously it's around 10,000 degree Fahrenheit, maybe hot enough to melt rocks. So that's so hot that it can melt any type of rock. Molten rock is called magma. Molten rock is called magma. When that magma cools enough, it solidifies an igneous rock form. So basically, igneous rock is formed from magma and lava. But magma and lava, they both are different. Maybe I'll tell you later. But both of them, they solidify and igneous rock is formed. This is how it's basically formed. Okay, so magma and lava. Magma that cools slowly will form an igneous rock with large crystals. So magma will cool, magma that cools slowly. So the magma, if it cools slowly, very slowly, the igneous rock which is gonna be formed from that magma will have large crystals. This will make the rock much better, much cheaper, much expensive to sell, and it will be much harder and better, durable. Lava that cools quickly will form an igneous rock with small crystals. So lava and will cool lava always cools very quickly, but then the igneous rock which will be formed from lava, the crystals will be small, less crystals, but with the one with the magma with large crystals. Okay, now I'll tell you the difference of magma and lava. Magma is the molten liquid inside the earth, like inside the earth. But lava is the lava is the liquid which is on the surface of the earth. We can see it on the surface of the earth. We can see by our own eyes. But magma is inside the earth, which we cannot see. Okay, so this means that we get two types of main igneous rocks, extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive is when lava cools on the surface, surface, and magma is intrusive when the rock cools in the volcano, inside. So magma is inside the earth when the rocks cool inside the earth. Intrusive, like in, meaning magma cools the rock inside the earth. The lava cools the rock outside the earth. Extrusive. So extrusive rock and intrusive rock, where the magma is cooled. In extrusive rock, the magma is cooled on the surface, The intrusive rock, the magma, is cooled underground in the earth, extrusive on the surface. How fast is the magma cooled, or lava? They're kind of different. Lava on the surface cools quickly, but on the underground it cools slowly. But what will be the result in the crystals? Size of the crystal, extrusive rock will make the size very small, while on the other hand, intrusive rock will make it large. Examples: obsidian and basalt, granite and gabbro. So these are examples of extrusive rock: obsidian and basalt, intrusive granite and gabbro. Okay, this is the structure of the earth. So this is the inner core over here. This is the inner core. The outer core is the one after the inner core. The mantle is then the next one, and the crust is the next one. So most of the rocks are formed in the inner and outer core. That's where the rocks are formed. But on the surface will be extrusive rocks, while here inside will be intrusive with large crystals which can only be found by mining. Okay, what is the difference between lava and magma? Why do some rocks have bigger crystals than others? These are the two questions. So as we can see, I told you that lava and magma, they both have differences. What are they? Lava is the one that cools on the surface, while magma is the one that cools inside the earth. Why do some rocks have bigger crystals than others? Because they take more time to develop. Here, magma is liquid rock under the surface. Lava is that reaches the earth's surface. If the rock cools slowly, the crystals will be large because there will be more times for the crystals to grow. Okay guys, it's quiz time now. If an igneous rock forms with lots of space over and over a long period of time, what will the rock have? Igneous rock with lots of space and time. Larger crystals, both small and large crystals, smaller crystals, no mineral crystals. It's going to be large crystals because it takes a lot of time. How do intrusive igneous rocks form? Intrusive, from magma that hardened beneath the earth's surface, in the earth, or from the lava that erupted on the earth's surface. It's igneous, intrusive, so it's going to be hardened beneath the earth's surface. Where is magma found? Where is magma found? On the surface of earth or inside the earth? Inside the earth. Magma. Okay, igneous rock that forms from lava on earth's surface. Igneous rock that forms from lava. Is it organic? Is it extrusive? Or is it intrusive? It's extrusive. It's lava. How do extrusive igneous rocks form? Extrusive. From magma that hardened beneath the earth's surface, or from lava that erupted onto the earth's surface. It's an extrusive. It's gonna be onto the earth's surface. This rock was found near the mouth of a volcano. What type of rock is this? Of course, it's going to be igneous rock. No doubt in that. A type of rock that forms from the cooling of molten at a rock at below the surface of the earth. It's igneous rock. It cools and molten. And hope there will be future videos coming. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.